Alright, so I just got done shoveling things out. Like I said, it's a little after 11. Give me an idea, it's probably like 11:10. You can see I shoveled all the way down. Up to here. Give myself a little path out. Give you a feel. Plow came not too long ago. Looks like. You can see we're on a side street, and still has about, let's see what we got, like about 2 inches since the plow came. You can see down there, that's South Dakota, and that's a snow emergency route. You can see that it's pretty snowy and covered in right there. So I can tell you one thing: before tonight, none of these cars had any snow on the top of them. That was for sure. But now you can see they got a pretty hefty coating. To give you an idea, this is my car. Whoa, where the roof on this guy is. Here's the roof line here. You can cut a line down and to see where the roof line is. So I mean, it's a pretty hefty dumping of snow. So yeah, here goes a plow. Cop car going on down there, but to give you an idea how deep that snow is. There's my glove. Just stand it up on end right here. You can see full-grown man's human hand. It's a pretty good idea for scale. So, other than that, I just got weather it out. We got another almost 24 hours, a little under that, probably like 22 hours worth for the house. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.